Hi, everybody. It's Lo from the 50 somethings. As you may or may not know, Bo and I are headed out on our 2025 Alaska trip. With this trip comes a lot of questions: rig maintenance, rig upgrades, travel, expense, excursions. There's a lot out there, and I know that everybody has them. So I'm hoping there's some more seasoned people watching this that can help us out and maybe leave some comments. Because I'm going to give you a couple of questions and I'm hoping that maybe you guys can help us out. First off, I know that there are places in Alaska where you can pull over and stay the night if you're just trying to get from point A to point B as quick as possible. Um, Turnouts and pullouts. I thought they were the same thing. Apparently not, because I'm sitting here and this is the handy dandy milepost, and I was going through it trying to plan our route or at least get some sort of idea. And the way it reads, they're different things. Large gravel turnouts, both sides of highway. There are several pullouts northbound, both sides of highway. So, what is the difference between a pullout and a turnout? I don't want to stay the night somewhere thinking that I'm okay and get yelled at by, uh, the authorities in the middle of the night. So, help me out. Which ones are good? Which ones are not? I mean, I'm not sure, and I would really appreciate that knowledge. Next, I'm going to say cash. I'm assuming that we need to take some Canadian cash with us for any places that aren't going to, that, we can't use our card or whatever, but how much is appropriate? We don't like traveling with a lot, so I'm going to say, um, obviously, we'll need some loonies and toonies for the laundry. But other than that, what's an appropriate amount? Because we just want, just in case we need to get gas or any stays that require cash. Like if we stop at a provincial, I think I read some of those are cash only. So, what's an appropriate amount? And any comments are awesome answering those questions, but also any comments with some more questions. If you've got anything that you want answered, that would be awesome. I'll try and ask them on the next one. So until then, appreciate your help, and I hope everybody has a great day. Thanks.